Hi, in this video I'm gonna find a winning product, build a website for that product, create ads, and at the end I will show the results. And I'm gonna do that for the first time. Yup, this is my first time trying Shopify dropshipping in practice. I mean, I have the knowledge, I know what I'm supposed to do, but I've never tried running a store. So in this video, I will be trying to run a store and get sales in 1 week. And if I don't get any orders, still that's okay. I'm gaining experience, baby! So basically what I'm trying to say is that I'm not gonna fake the results to make it look good. What happens, happens. If I lose money, that's okay, that's what I'm gonna put in the video. Now, let's get started. So the first day I'm gonna find a winning product, and as far as I know, the best way of finding a winning product is looking at what others sell. At least that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Facebook and see what others sells and if they are still running ads, because if they are still running ads on a specific product, that means it sells and it's profitable. And my product is gonna be a problem solver for pets and owners. I've done my homework pretty hard, baby. Anyway, let's find a winning product. So I found the product that I'm gonna sell. This is the product that I'm gonna sell. Basically, it's a dog leash, but here's the banger. It's also a water bottle with a bowl and a waste bag for the dog. So the owner doesn't need to have a water bottle or a bowl to put the water or a waste bag. That has everything inside. And it's $10. It's good. So it's a problem solver and my target audience is dog owners. But I also found this product, which it's still for pets and it's a problem solver and it's cheaper than the other. It's like $2 and that means that I can have a better profit margin. But I think the previous one, this one, the dog leash with a water bottle is better because it's June, it's summer and it's gonna get hot outside. And water is something that we both animals and people need. So I think this is better at the moment and I think I'm gonna go with this one, the dog leash with a built-in water bottle. Anyways, now what I need is a website for my store, which I'm gonna do that through Shopify, obviously. Building the website is gonna take time because I need to find a good name with a domain that is not claimed yet, make a logo and import the product from AliExpress. So see you in 2 days, I guess, I don't know. See you when I finish the website and everything. Welcome back. So it's been 1 day, I mean you saw me yesterday, I did the website faster than I thought and now the website is ready. So let's take a look. Here is the website, Doggy Leash. I did the logo myself. So this is the homepage. Multifunction Doggy Leash is here. Going down, there's a little small message, keep your dog hydrated. After that is the product. It's $24.99. Here you can choose the color, the quantity, add to cart, buy with PayPal. After that is the description, a small description actually. And at the end it says pet walking essentials all in one, leash, water bottle, waste bag dispenser and a hook for used waste bags. And there's a buy now, which if he clicks that, if the buyer clicks that, goes to the product page immediately, which there's also the footer, the quick links, the written, the policies, the terms and conditions, the disclaimer and stuff. So after that there is the free vault for shipping today only. It's not today only, but yeah, you know, we put it there. So also shop, contact us, about us, and that's it. So it's a professional and clean website, I think, and I think it looks great. I mean, basically that's the website and how it looks. So now I need to create a video ad to promote my stuff for the marketing part, and for that I can simply pay other creatives to make me the video ad, but instead I'm gonna do it myself. I mean, I know about video editing stuff, I know how to edit videos, so I think that I can do that. And I don't want to spend so much money, I don't have that much money to spend. I mean, I checked some websites, they say $80, $90 for a video ad. I don't want to spend that much money. I mean, I'm gonna pay Instagram pages, and so I don't want to spend that much money from now. So see you when I finish the video ad. I'm gonna finish it in a couple hours, I guess. So see you later. So it's been like 3 hours and I finished the ad. So I did so much stuff. I mean, I created the ad video, I did an order on Fiverr, I messed up with some Google account password problems, and now I'm here. I'm gonna explode. Oh, and now a mail from a company that I ordered a product. What, Fiverr again? Revision again? Come on. Ooh, order completed. You see, so much stuff. Anyway, here's the ad. I mean, it looks pretty good, and I know that I could pay other creatives to make it for me, but like I said, I don't have that much money to spend, so I did it myself and it turned out pretty well. So now, I'm gonna find some Instagram pages that are about dogs and DM them about their promo rates, and then I'm gonna publish, actually they're gonna publish my ad on their page. I was thinking about both story and post ads, but we'll see. Now let's find some Instagram dog theme pages and get the ads going. One of the ads is live now and the other one is gonna be in a minute, and we already have 2 visitors. Hey. So I'm gonna let you know later. So, what happened? Did I get any sales or am I in profit? Don't worry, I will tell you everything. So, I'm gonna take it from the day that the ads got posted. That day nothing special really happened. I mean, there was a lot of people coming to the website, but none of them bought the product. Some of them added the product to their cart, some of them they went to the checkout page, but none of them bought the product. Then I mailed those people who added the product to their cart and subscribed by email. I mailed them and gave them discount codes in case they come back and buy, but I didn't see anyone coming back. After that, there was a guy that said he couldn't buy the product because of an error saying that this product can't be shipped to his address. Then I fixed this issue. It was about the weight of the product, and sent a message to the customer that I fixed the issue and now he can buy. He didn't buy the product, he didn't come back. Great. Those are the things that I need to learn before someone gets the problem. Anyway, the second day of the ads, one of the ads was for 2 days, and the second day of the ads, I got a sale. Woohoo! I got 1 sale. Great. Then I went to AliExpress to fulfill the order, but guess what? I didn't check the shipping times when I found the product. And it says 1 month. 1 month. What the fuck is that? I don't want the customer to wait so long and after 3 weeks to cancel the order. And I was like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? And I searched on YouTube for a solution, and I found a website where it says that this product can be shipped in 5 to 10 days. So I hope that I just hope. Anyway, now let's calculate my profit. How much money I spent and how much money I made. So I wrote them down here. I spent $12 for a domain, $25 for the first Instagram ad, $10 for the second Instagram ad, and €50 for the third Instagram ad, which it was a 2-day ad. And the ad that I got the sale, I think. And after all, I got 1 sale of $25, which my profit of that product was $10. The shipping and stuff. So I'm negative $97. Nice. I'm not sad. Okay, I'm a little sad. But I knew that I was gonna lose money when I was starting to dropshipping. I don't have any experience, and to gain experience, I need to try and learn to do stuff wrong. So losing money is okay. Just, I can't lose that much money because I don't have that much money. I can't ask my dad for money. All of this money is mine, and making money is not that easy for me at the moment, so I have limits. But I will continue with Shopify Dropshipping, so that means that I will make more videos about Shopify Dropshipping. So stay tuned. And my donation link is in the description in case you wanna send some money. I'm just kidding. I'm just curious, if I went with Facebook ad, what would happen? I think that I would get more sales with Facebook ads with that money that I spent, because on Facebook ads it's more specific, the target audience and stuff. So anyway, that's what I got. By the way, in case you wanna see the dashboard, if you think that I'm lying, what? I mean, why would I lie? I got one sale. So, there it is. Total sales, $24.99. And I can refresh the page. There it is. That's it. So that was my first try with Shopify Dropshipping. Here's a video where I try to make money on Fiverr for 7 days using Canva. So if you want, you can watch that video right after this one. So see you over there. Bye bye.